I'm Ronaldo Halim, dealer principal, Sierra Subaru Monrovia. Today we are going to be dropping off clothes at the Foothill Unity Center as a result of our Dress for Success clothing drive. Many of us have excess clothing at home we no longer use from years of hoarding. I think it's very important to kind of go through those things and donate them, as someone else might find them a lot more valuable than I would.
Thank you, Sierra Subaru of Monrovia. This is a great benefit for our clients and the community. This will be very helpful for them. We are very excited, and we just want to thank you guys so much for having this opportunity to be able to collect these items from you guys and move forward in our clients and their careers. Awesome. Thank you so much, Sierra Subaru of Monrovia. Yay!